Tired of endlessly scrolling and want to get paid for your opinions? This video shows you how to use the Tango Card Earning App to grab gift cards and rewards, turning your spare time into real income. First, download the Tango Card app from your app store, then sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a home screen with different ways to earn. Surveys are a big one. These are questionnaire where you share your opinions on products and services. Tap on Surveys, and you'll see a list of available opportunities. Each survey tells you how long it'll take and what reward you'll get. Choose the surveys that interest you and fit your schedule. Answer honestly and carefully. Rushing through can lead to disqualification. Once you complete the survey, your reward will be credited to your Tango Card account. Besides surveys, explore the offers section. Here, you can earn rewards by trying new products, signing up for services, or downloading apps. Be sure to read the terms carefully before participating in any offer. Now, for the best part, why you're redeeming your rewards. Head to the rewards section to browse through a huge selection of gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and more. Once you find the gift card you want, select it and redeem your points. Your gift card will usually be delivered electronically within a few days. Tango Card is a great way to earn a little extra income during your free time. So, download the app, start completing tasks, and enjoy the rewards. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.